How to track your spending with Credit Karma Money. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Money section from the top menu bar. This will take you to your Credit Karma Money page where you can view your spending activity and account details. Next, scroll down until you see the spending summary. This section shows a categorized view of your recent transactions such as groceries, utilities, entertainment, and more. You will see individual transactions, dates, amounts, and merchant name, which makes it easier to understand where your money is going. To see all your past activity, look for the See All Transactions or Full Transaction History link. You can filter by date range or category to analyze your finances more effectively. Tracking your spending with Credit Karma Money helps you stay in control of your budget, reduce unnecessary expenses, and build healthier financial habits. Now you know how to track your spending with Credit Karma Money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.